Hello, today I'm going to show you how to attach streamers to a garter mum. This backer is about 5¼ inches in diameter, if you can see that there. I make these out of old pizza boxes, frozen pizzas. I just save the boxes and then cut them out. It's just a quick way to recycle and saves me some money. I have pre-cut these strips to about 20 inches long because I want the streamer to be about 18 inches from here to here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. You can trim it up, but it's safer to be a little bit longer because you can, like I said, you can always shorten it up. You can't make it longer after you've attached it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first one. I try to center it with my center there. It doesn't have to be perfect again. Now on this one, I am going to cut the end like so. Just throw that away. See that? Now I just overlap these a bit. Okay, I just want to overlap it a little bit there and put it about to the end and make sure it's overlapped. I don't know, about a thumb's length, I guess. Actually, before I do that, I want to show you how a quick way to trim these. You see, I put them this way. This is my front, this is the front. And I'm going to do that inside out, and then I'm going to put this on top. And then I'm going to start at one corner and I'm going to cut my way up. I like to use this cut for my garters. Now I'm going to put this one on this side. And there you can see the pattern, and you can overlap them like that, or you can do them this way. And I really like this way the best. I like the look that it gives. You can see the bottom there. I'm just going to staple those. And I like to do these flat, that way I can overlap them properly. Now I'm going to do, I've already pre-cut all of these and trimmed the ends. I'm going to do a yellow on top of that. Now I'm going to do this blue honeycomb. Just putting them in the middle. It's easier to go ahead and do these middle ones because as I work my way out, it's going to be harder for me to reach my stapler all the way to the middle. So that's why I'm doing it like that. You can see I've already pre-cut these. And again, I did it where it curled in and curled out, laid them on top, and then cut them that way. That way you get the same cut on both sides. So I'm going to overlap those. And you see how it's overlapped. Just want to get them the way I want, and I don't go over on the backer. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you. Here we go. Right there. I make sure that it's at the end, but I don't want it coming off the side there. So I want it like that. But I also want to make sure that it's overlapped nicely down here. And I'm going to attach some yellow streamers to that. I'm going to go close to the inside. And these, like I said, I cut these 20 and then I cut these at 19, or around 19. Okay, now I'm going to do another white. And just make sure each one is overlapping. This side. I went about in the same spot, and again, I'm not going off the side because you don't want that sticking out when you're finished mum. Okay, I'm gonna cut these shorter ones These were about, I think they were about 14 or 15. Yeah, a little over 14. Sometimes I like to have a shorter one on the ends, and sometimes I even do one that's like about this short. It just depends on the look you're going for. You can keep going and do them long and as wide as you want. Just keep in mind, the wider you go, the harder it is to get in there with your stapler. Okay, looks about even. Now I'm going to do some more yellow and some more blue on that. Okay, so now I have several different layers here going on. Let's see.